Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shreya English Podcast. Today's video is going to be super helpful for beginners who want to speak English confidently. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. So let's start today's English conversation practice. Hello, good morning Sam. Good morning Shreya. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm doing great. Nice to meet you. So, Shreya, can you tell me something about yourself? Sure. My name is Shreya. I'm from India and I am a working woman. I love learning new things and speaking English. I also enjoy making podcast videos and helping people learn English in an easy way. Wow, that sounds amazing. You speak English very confidently. Thank you so much. I practice every day. That's really good. Practice is very important. What are your hobbies, Sam? I like reading books, listening to music, and playing football. And what about you? I love listening to podcasts, watching educational videos, and talking with friends in English. That's a smart way to improve communication skills. Yes, speaking daily helps a lot. What are you doing these days? I am preparing for my exams and also improving my spoken English. That's wonderful. Why do you want to improve your English? Because English is very important for confidence, communication, and future opportunities. Absolutely correct. Can you tell me about your daily routine? Of course, I wake up early in the morning, exercise for some time, and then study. In the evening, I practice English speaking and listen to podcasts. That's a productive routine. Thank you. What about your routine? I go to college in the morning and work on my communication skills at night. What is your dream, Sam? I want to become a successful businessman. And you? I want to become a confident speaker and inspire people through my podcast channel. That's really inspiring. Thank you. Dreams come true when we work hard. Many people feel nervous while speaking English. What should they do? They should practice daily and never fear mistakes. Mistakes help us learn better. Exactly. Confidence is more important than a perfect grammar. Yes, start speaking with simple sentences. So, guys, today we learned how to talk about yourself in English. I hope this conversation helps you improve your spoken English. If you enjoyed this video, then like the video, comment if you enjoyed this video, then like the video, comment your introduction in English, and subscribe to Indian English Podcast. I will meet you in the next episode with another interesting English conversation. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep smiling.